Hi, Nikki. I heard that you're doing the one-day workshop at the Irish School of Homeopathy soon. In a nutshell, could you tell me what it's all about?
Absolutely, Sarah. Well, the one-day workshop is specifically for people who really don't know anything about homeopathy, and want to start using it in the home to help treat little complaints and ailments that might come up. It's a very empowering course, and it's very practical. You're going to be able to learn how to, firstly, decide on the symptoms that you're looking at to cure. The second thing you will learn is, how to find a remedy that matches those symptoms and how to then give it potency and dosage, how to give it so that it can be effective in helping cure the symptoms that you're experiencing in the house. We have a lovely little beginner's guide to homeopathy that will be posted out as soon as you book the day. The course is run every month online from 10 o'clock in the morning until 4:30 of a weekend day. So that will be, sometimes it's on a Saturday, sometimes it's on a Sunday. It's a very interactive course. We'll touch a little bit on the philosophy behind homeopathy, but the main focus of the day is empowering you to actually be able to use it practically in the home.
Could you give us a clue about the remedies that you cover?
Absolutely. We talk about remedies that will be very useful in the home. For example, aconite, which is a really brilliant remedy in the first 24 to 48 hours of any kind of inflammation or fever, or if you're coming down with a cold or flu. We'll talk about belladonna, which is a great remedy also for fevers, redness, dilated eyes, delirium. All of those would be symptoms of belladonna. We'll look at arnica in detail for use with bumps and bruises, cuts and wounds, post-surgery, etc. We'll have a little look at hypericum, which has an affinity with the nervous system and is really great for any area of the body that has a nerve-rich area, like if you bruise or bang your fingers or hands, sciatica, post-childbirth, post-dentist, etc. So there are lots of remedies discussed on the day. So you begin to get to know some of the really good homeopathic remedies.
Brilliant. So if somebody in my family had a sore throat, would I know what to do after just one day?
Absolutely. That's exactly what we'd be looking at. What you're going to start to understand is how to look at that person in a holistic way, not just the name sore throat, but actually how is that person experiencing that sore throat. And with those symptoms, you're going to be able to find a remedy that matches that and will be able to help clear those symptoms.
And are these remedies readily available?
Absolutely. There are two homeopathic dispensaries. One of them is Down to Earth on Georgia Street in Dublin, and another one is Roots and Wings in Cabinteely. Both of those are the homeopathic dispensaries in Dublin. There's a homeopath present there, so if you've any doubt about what you need to take, you can speak to a homeopath in the shop, and they do next day delivery. There's also the 36 remedy kits that can be bought on the shop at the Irish School of Homeopathy.
That's brilliant. Thank you so much.